हाई एभ्रिवान इङ्ग्लिस प्रो च्यानलमा तपाईँलाई स्वागत छ। आजको भिडियोमा हामीले छोटो छोटो सेन्टेन्सहरूको प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेछौँ। तपाईँ घरबाट अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्न चाहनुहुन्छ, तपाईँसँग प्र्याक्टिस गर्नको लागि कोही पनि साथी छैन भने तपाईँले यी छोटो छोटो सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई प्रयोग गरेर अङ्ग्रेजी प्र्याक्टिस गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, बोल्न सक्नुहुन्छ। ओके, सो भिडियोलाई तपाईँ इन्डसम्म नै हेर्नुहोला र जति पनि यो भिडियोमा तपाईँले सेन्टेन्सहरू सिक्नुहुन्छ ती सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई चाहिँ आवश्यक परेको बेलामा तपाईँले चाहिँ बोल्ने प्र्याक्टिस पनि गर्नुहोला। ओके, सुरु गरौँ। लेट्स बिगिन। गर्मी छ, गर्मी भयो भन्नु पर्यो। इट इज हट अथवा इट्स हट भन्न पनि भयो, इट इज हट भन्ने पनि भयो। गर्मी छ, गर्मी भयो, इट इज हट। जाडो छ, इट इज कोल्ड, इट इज कोल्ड वा इट्स कोल्ड। बिहान भयो, इट इज मर्निङ अथवा इट्स मर्निङ, बिहान भयो। मध्याह भयो, इट्स नोन वा इट इज नोन। पानी पर्छ, इट रेन्स, इट रेन्स। 10 बज्यो, इट्स 10, इट्स 10। लाज नमान, डोन्ट बी साई, डोन्ट बी साई। उसले तिमीलाई खाँदैन, he won't eat you। यो प्रायः तपाईँ सानो बच्चालाई चाहिँ भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ। जस्तो बच्चालाई चाहिँ कसैले बोलायो भने चाहिँ ऊ जाँदैन नि, जाऊ न उसले तिमीलाई खाँदैन नि भन्छ नि, त्यस्तो बेलामा he won't eat you, उसले तिमीलाई खाँदैन, he won't eat you। अल्छी नबन, don't be lazy, don't be lazy। अल्छी नबन। यसलाई छिटो गर, do it fast, do it fast। तिमी मेरो कुरा सुन्दैनौ, you don't listen to me, you don't listen to me। फोहोर नखाऊ, don't eat dirt, don't eat dirt। तिमी धेरै राम्रो छौ, you are very good, you are very good। जाऊ, नुहाऊ, have a bath, go and have a bath। आफ्नो लुगा बदल, change your clothes, change your clothes। यसलाई अहिले नै गर, do it right now, do it right now। तिमी किन चिच्याउँदैछौ, why are you shouting, why are you shouting। के भयो, what happened, what happened। केही पनि नाइ, nothing, nothing। तल आऊ, come downstairs, come downstairs। माथि नजाऊ, don't go upstairs, don't go upstairs। नभुल्नु, नबिर्सनु, don't forget, don't forget। सधैँ याद राख्नु, always remember, always remember। तिमी किन चुप छौ, why are you quiet, why are you quiet अथवा why are you silent। केही त भन, say something, say something। तयार हौ, get ready, get ready। हामी ढिलो हुँदैछौ, we are getting late, we are getting late। के तपाईँ बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ, are you sick, are you sick। के तपाईलाई ज्वरो आएको छ, do you have a fever, do you have a fever। यहाँ छिटो आऊ, come here fast, come here fast। यसलाई फिर्ता राख, keep it back, keep it back। तिमी किन रोएको, why are you crying, why are you crying। तिमीले राम्रो गर्यो, you did well, you did well। उनी चलाक छिन्, she is clever, she is clever। ऊ होशियार छ, he is smart, he is smart। यसलाई दोहोऱ्याऊ, repeat it, repeat it। मेरो पछि यसलाई दोहोऱ्याऊ, repeat it after me, repeat it after me। यो सजिलो छ, this is easy, this is easy। यसलाई आफ्नो साथमा राख, keep it with you, keep it with you. फेरि कोसिस गर, try again. Try again. मलाई डिस्टर्ब नगर, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मतिर हेर, look at me. Look at me. विद्यालयको लागि तयार हौ, get ready for school. Get ready for school. चिसो पानी नपिऊ, don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. गएर बाहिर खेल, go and play outside. Go and play outside. गएर पढाइ गर, go and study. Go and study. यता हेर, look here. Look here. बाहिर नजाऊ, पानी परिरहेको छ. Don't go outside, it's raining. Don't go outside, it's raining. मलाई थाहा भयो, I got to know. I got to know. मैले बिर्सिएँ, I forgot. I forgot. ताराहरूलाई हेर, look at the stars. Look at the stars. तपाईँ तल खस्न सक्नुहुन्छ, you might fall down. You might fall down. मलाई घुर्न बन्द गर, stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. हल्ला नगर्नुहोस्, don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. सधैँ मेरो कुरा सुन्नु, listen to me always. Listen to me always. बासी खाना नखाऊ, don't eat stale food. Don't eat stale food. यी मेरा जुत्ता हुन्, these are my shoes. These are my shoes. के तपाईँ कार्टुन हेर्न मन पराउनुहुन्छ? Do you like watching cartoons? Do you like watching cartoons? 12 बजेर 10 मिनेट गयो. It's 10 past 12. It's 10 past 12. दोष भेट्न सजिलो छ. It is easy to find fault. It is easy to find fault. घोडा लड्यो र आफ्नो खुट्टा भाँच्यो. The horse fell and broke its leg. The horse fell and broke its leg. Who is that? त्यो को हो? Who is that? It's me. म हुँ. म यहाँ आउँदा 9 बजेको थियो. It was 9 o'clock when I got here. It was 9 o'clock. It was 9 o'clock when I got here. म यहाँ आउँदा 9 बजेको थियो. आज धेरै चिसो छ. It is too cold today. It is too cold today. बाहिर निकै अँध्यारो छ. It is too dark outside. It is too dark outside. चिचानुको कुनै फाइदा छैन. It's no use shouting. It's no use shouting. आज बिहान पानी पर्दै थियो. It was raining this morning. It was raining this morning. कुरा के हो? What's the matter? What's the matter? मलाई केही जानकारी चाहिएको छ. I need some information. I need some information. तपाईलाई धेरै धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. तपाईको यात्रा सुखद होस्. Wish you a happy journey. Wish you a happy journey. तिम्रो उन्नति होस्. May you flourish. May you flourish. तपाईको व्यापारमा उन्नति होस्. May you flourish in your business. May you flourish in your business. सुन्नुस् त. Listen please. Listen please. कृपया मलाई पर्खनुहोस्. Wait for me please. Wait for me please. मलाई बोल्न दिनुहोस्. Let me speak. Let me speak. कृपया छेउतिर सर्नुहोस्. Please move aside. Please move aside. उसले जे भन्छ त्यसमा मलाई विश्वास छ. I believe what he says. I believe what he says. म तिमीलाई भेट्ने छैन. I want to see you. I want to see you. हामी आज जान चाहदैनौँ. We don't want to go today. We don't want to go today. यो सम्भव छैन. It is not possible. It is not possible. म यो काम गर्न सक्ने छैन. I won't be able to do this task. I won't be able to do this task. ऊ भात खान मन पराउँदैन. He doesn't like to take rice. He doesn't like to take rice. अस्वीकार गर्नु परेकोमा हामी सबै दुःखी छौँ. We are all sorry to refuse. We are all sorry to refuse. म तिम्रा इच्छाअनुसार यो काम गर्न सक्ने छैन. I won't be able to perform this task as you wish. I won't be able to perform this task as you wish. हामी सहमत छैनौँ. We don't agree. We don't agree. म तिमीलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्दिनँ. I can't help you. I can't help you. मेरो कुनै गुनासो छैन. I have no complaint. I have no complaint. उसले भनेको कुरामा म विश्वास गर्न सक्दिनँ. I can't believe what he says. I can't believe what he says. त्यस्तो व्यवहार नगर, यस्तो व्यवहार नगर. Don't behave like this. Don't behave like this. अरूलाई धोका दिनु राम्रो होइन. It is not good to deceive others. It is not good to deceive others. यस्तो उपद्रो कहिले नगर. Never do such a mischief. Never do such a mischief. उसले मेरो निमन्त्रणा अस्वीकार गर्यो. He refused my invitation. He refused my invitation. म महँगो लुगा किन्न सक्दिनँ. I can't afford to buy expensive clothes. मसँग पैसा छैन. I have no money. I have no money. चाँडै उठ. Rise early. नम्र हौ. Be polite. आफ्नो हात खुट्टा धो. Wash your hands and feet. आफ्नो दाँत माझ. Brush your teeth. बत्ती बाल. Light the lamp. Light the lamp. हतार गर. Make haste. Make haste. चाँडो फर्क. Come back soon. Come back soon. आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाऊ. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. जुत्ता फुकाल. Put off your shoes अथवा take out your shoes. आफ्नो नाक सफा गर. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. समयनिष्ठ हौ. Be punctual. Be punctual. आफ्नो खाना राम्ररी चबाऊ. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. मूर्ख नबन. Don't be foolish. Don't be foolish. बेकारको कुरा नगर. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. आफ्नो काममा ध्यान देऊ. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. झुटो नबोल. Don't tell a lie. सधैँ साँचो बोल. Always speak the truth. मन लगाएर काम गर्ने गर. Try to work wholeheartedly. Try to work wholeheartedly. सबै तयार राख्नु. Keep everything ready. Keep everything ready. म नफर्केसम्म पर्खनु. Wait till I return. अरूसँग झगडा नगर. Do not quarrel with others. Do not quarrel with others. म सहमत छु. I agree. तपाईँको इच्छा. As you like it. मलाई लाग्छ तपाईँ एकदम सही हुनुहुन्छ. I think you are quite right. I think you are quite right. मलाई तपाईँप्रति दया छ. I feel pity for you. ईश्वरको इच्छा. It is God's will. के म गलत थिएँ? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? सबै मानिस उस्तै हुँदैनन्. All people are not alike. All people are not alike. के तिमी पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? तपाईँ धेरै दयालु हुनुहुन्छ. So kind of you. So kind of you. म तिम्रो कुरा सुन्ने छैन. I won't listen to you. I won't listen to you. म डराएको छैन. I am not scared. I am not scared. यो कसले गर्यो? Who did it? Who did it? उसले मलाई बोलायो. He called me. He called me. तिम्रो परिवारलाई कस्तो छ? How is your family? How is your family? म त्यो भन्न चाहन्छु कि I want to say that. I want to say that. अहिलेसम्म त ठिकै छ. So far so good. So far so good. श्रम लाग्नु पर्ने तिमीलाई. Shame on you. Shame on you. मेरो लागि केही फरक पर्दैन. No matter for me. No matter for me. यो हाम्रो कर्तव्य हो. It's our duty. It's our duty. जीवनमा उतार चढाव आइरहन्छन्. There are ups and downs in life. There are ups and downs in life. म भर्खरै घर पुगे. I just reached home. I just reached home. तिमी चुप किन छौ? Why are you silent? मलाई एउटा कुरा भन. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. एक मिनट पर्खनुहोस्. Wait a minute. तिमी होसमा त छौ? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? म तपाईसँग सहमत छु. I agree with you. यसको के मतलब हो? What does it mean? What does it mean? तपाईहरू जान सक्नुहुन्छ. You guys can go. You guys can go. यो उनी आफैले गरे नि. She did it herself. She did it herself. यो मेरो साथी हो. This is my friend. मलाई जान आवश्यक छ. I need to go. के तिमी आउन सक्छौ? Can you come? यो सही होइन. That's not right. That's not right. यसलाई कसले गर्न सक्छ? Who can do it? Who can do it? अब तपाईँ जान सक्नुहुन्छ. Now you can go. म आएको छु. I have come. तपाईँ हाँस्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can laugh. तपाईँ पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can read. यो हुन सक्छ. It can happen. It can happen. मेरो साथमा रहनुहोस्. Be with me. तिमीलाई के भयो? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? तिमीलाई कसरी थाहा छ? How do you know? How do you know? मलाई वाचा गर. Promise me. हार नमान. Don't give up. धेरै समय अगाडि. A long time ago. हामी ढिलो हुँदैछौँ. We are getting late. प्रशस्त समय छ. There is plenty of time. कृपया मेरो पछि आउनुहोस्. Please follow me. म घर जाँदैछु. I am going home. I am going home. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.